Welcome everyone to this session. We'll explore a powerful breathing technique to help cleanse your lungs. If you are a smoker or just looking to improve your lung capacity or health, these techniques can support your journey. I'm a yoga practitioner with 7 years of experience, and I truly believe that these practices can help you breathe better and feel healthier. Before we begin, there are a few things to keep in mind to get best results out of this practice. So first, freshen up. Before you sit to this practice, take a shower before starting. This helps you refresh your body and mind. And then next comes the sitting posture. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed on the ground. Make sure they are fully in contact with the ground. This helps maintain stability and reduces the tension between your legs and the ground, and which is against the gravity, and the tension will be gone. If sitting like this is uncomfortable at first, take some time to adjust. So take your own time. And how to sit, and this is the clip you are seeing in this video. I'm putting a clip here. So this is how you sit. Both legs are completely in touch with the ground, not one above the other, or not one leg stacked on top of another. So try to sit in this position, and you'll be comfortable very soon in this position if you start sitting in this way, because the tension is minimum and then the ground contact is more. So these are the two steps, and then comes the third step. So you may find it unnecessary, lighting a lamp. So lighting a lamp is you may find this unnecessary for the breathing exercise, but lighting a lamp or candle can enhance your focus and deepen your practice. This is optional. This can support your experience in a very subtle manner. So you can basically imbibe help from external unknown factors and dimensions. Basically, if you are trying to cleanse your lungs with that intention, lighting a lamp and sitting to this practice, you'll get external help on or getting better results to this practice. So we'll discuss more about these steps, why this step matters, lighting a lamp, in another session. But for now, let's get started with the breathing technique. Firstly, slowly inhale and then exhale. Deep. Inhaled and now exhaling. Do this 2 to 3 times so that you are preparing your lungs ready for this practice, and your body also settles down and you feel stable. Repeat a few times to prepare your lungs. Now comes the real practice. This is called cleansing breath or rapid breathing technique, which is also called fluttering of breath. First observe me how I am doing and the sound. So it has to be like so. What happened here is I inhaled and exhaled really quick, and during this process my body might shake a little bit because it's inhaling and exhaling rapidly, but make sure you do it only at the level of tip of your nose. So all the inhale and exhale has to be here. Do not take it intensely or deeply, so that your stomach and lungs will shake like this. These are wrong. And one more type is, this is also wrong. So make sure you do it as lightly, as gently as you can. And how fast should I do? It should be per second 3 to 4 times. Initially it's hard, so aim for 3 to 4 breaths per second. If that feels difficult, start with 2 breaths per second. Slowly increase. If any of these steps are hard for you, then we can look at the techniques to get to this point. First, inhale deeply and exhale in breaks. Inhale in small quantities and multiple steps. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So try doing inhaling first and then exhaling later. You can practice like inhaling in multiple breaks, in multiple segments, and also exhaling in the same way in multiple segments. So after you feel comfortable with both inhaling and exhaling separate, now it's the time to combine those both. So it will be in this process. First exhale, and even in this process, initially to help you, you can also do it complete inhalation and complete exhalation during this rapid breath movements. It will be in this manner. Look at me. When I say like this, it's inhaling. When I say like this, it's exhaling. So look, watch this breath sounds and my actions. In this manner, in this way, you can combine both inhale and exhale, and this is how you take baby steps rather than doing all together at once. If you find this difficult, hope this tutorial help you. I break the entire process into small chunks and then trying to help you so that you can understand and do it better. And how long you should do this practice? You should do this practice for 2 minutes. Yeah, if you can't do it for 2 minutes, 1 minute is okay, but try to aim for 2 minutes. Not too much, not too less. So once you are comfortable with rapid breathing combination, combine these two techniques like inhale and exhale, and you will be reaching that point very soon in a couple of days. Inhale and exhale as lightly and quickly, like a fluttering breath, without straining it. Practice this for 2 minutes again. These techniques will help you clean the lungs and improve your lungs capacity over time. Next steps and additional resources after this session, you can practice this of course, and for deeper lung cleansing, I highly recommend trying Mahashambhavi Mudra, which is also called as inner engineering and also called as 7 steps with Sadhguru. So this entire inner engineering or the course will contain cleansing your lungs as well as many other aspects which will enhance you as a person in so many dimensions, not just physical, mental, and there are so many unknown criteria that we cannot calculate. And also you can practice Shima Kriya, which is one of the recommendations from Sadhguru. Right now I can blow a shank for over a minute just to show you something I couldn't do before these practices. And with these practices and techniques, I could go pretty longer than I usually can. I couldn't even blow a shank before, to be honest. I've included a clip at the end of this video just to show you that it's possible with regular practice and no intense practice is needed. And one small disclaimer, this is not a medical or physically approved treatment. If you have any respiratory conditions, please consult a doctor before practicing these techniques. Thank you for joining me in this session. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you will see amazing results in your lungs health. So let me know in the comments how this practice works for you. Thank you.